Space-saving. Crowd-pleasing. This slender and stylish K-compact single-serve K-cup pod coffee maker. Turquoise. The single-serve coffee maker offers consumers a space-saving design to fit their countertop, but still delivers the delicious taste and unparalleled convenience that the brand is known for. Designed to leave the smallest footprint possible. The K-compact brewer is just over 8 wide, leaving you plenty of space on your countertop without sacrificing a thing. Brew 6, 8, or 10 ounces of your favorite beverages in under a minute. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Choose from hundreds of delicious K-cup pod varieties. Or brew your ground coffee with the universal My K-cup reusable coffee filter. The Smart Start feature heats and then brews in one simple process for even more convenience. The K-compact brewer has a removable drip tray to accommodate travel mugs, and it's 36 ounces. Removable water reservoir allows you to brew multiple cups before refilling. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.